Today we're gonna talk about Marvelous Designer 11 that has been officially released recently. It includes new features aiming to enhance cloth design and animation workflow, making the process more simple and efficient. Some of the key highlights in this release include the UI change, where you can now set up a workspace and toolsets according to your references. This UI updates provide us as well with the ability to customize window layouts and the use of multiple nodes at the same time in different 3D windows. Additionally, your most frequently used tools can now be popped out from the menu bars and located freely around your screen. Concerning the topology improvements, the Patch Topology tool helps you quickly draw topology based on subdivision on each edge. You can toggle the Edge Topology tool on the 2D window, and then you can adjust the number of subdivisions with the Patch Retopology box that appears there. Then you can click and drag your mouse on the 2D pattern to create the patch lines. When you click again, you will see the patch line divided into current number of subdivisions, and with this section closed, the internal lines will be shown. By clicking on the patch retopology, your patch lines will turn into topology faces. In addition, retopology now has ghost points that allow you to snap your custom drawn topology to the previously drawn one across sewn relationships. This ensures that vertices at seams line up perfectly. Also, the Patch Topology tool has been added, which allows you to quickly block out even topology in rectangular or triangular patches with set divisions. You can also partially solidify your clothes to allow you to keep the details of the wrinkles you like in one area while styling other areas. You can now assign the solidify feature to parts of the garment, and using the Select Mesh Brush 2, you can easily toggle the tool, then left click and drag your mouse to select the area you want to solidify. And the solidified area will maintain its shape during the simulation. When it comes to animation, it has some UI changes. The animation editor is now located at the bottom of the user interface, and it also now includes frame rate and playback options, so you can preview your garment animation at the end of the intended frame rate prior to exporting. The main improvement to the animation editor is in the FPS setting, because in previous versions, the FPS had to be set every time the animation file was imported. But now, you can set the FPS by project in the animation settings. Also, if you are interested, a store has been added where you can purchase garment items from within Marvelous Designer. This will allow you to choose an item in the store, you can check attributes, price, description, and you can change rendering styles as well. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have something to add. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.